Hello, hi. Uh, this is Vijay Reddy. Uh, Today I'm going to give a clear explanation of Hyperion financial management rules. And what the thing is, in the Hyperion financial management, these rules are playing very pretty much uh, they are playing a very important role for the HFM application. So what is the rules and why these rules has to be used in the HFM? Actually, this HFM application is built, so in this application we are having many tools and options will be available. Okay, and still if you want to customize our application, so if we have any further requirement is there means we can able to customize our HFM application by using the rules. And so I am going to explain you the complete rules of HFM, and I'll try to make you understand, so I'll try from my side. And and it is the first class of Hyperion financial management rules and rules. Okay, so let us start the rules. So before what I'm discussing, the thing is, uh, why this rule why this rule has to be used. And so it is a mainly thing is customization of our HFM application if any further requirement is there. So let me make you understand. This is HFM rules. This is HFM rules, and first thing is, what is the purpose of this one? This is the customized of HFM application. How? Each one will I will going to explain you in detail in further class about what is the purpose and why should we have to use in a clear explanation. Okay, first of all, let us see what are the rules available in the HFM. I think you might be known about what are the sub procedures we are using in the HFM rules. So let me give what are there in that, like a input, no input, and translation, and transaction, calculation, dynamic, allocation, and consolidation. So these are the rules, these are the sub procedures are available in the HFM rules. Okay, and let me come to this. What is the rule? What are the things are available in the rules? Mainly, this rules is combination of a VB script. So it is a combination of VB script and HFM functions. So it is a combination of VB script and HFM functions. What is a VB script? Generally people might be misunderstanding like a VB script and VB are same. Absolutely these are not same. VB script and VB are not same. Okay, VB script is part of VB. What is a VB? Visual Basics. So it is one of the programming language. So VB is Visual Basic, part of VB. And let me give some understanding what are the rules will be using in the application. What I mean to say is here, like what factors make us to write a role. Like generally sometimes some requirement might be coming, like example of like any calculation ratios might be cash flow, might be any validation, so might be some translation rules, might be investment in subsidiary eliminations, etc. So if any requirement might be coming, so if any requirement coming, like we need to write a rule. So here I'm trying to give a few example of things where we may get chances to write a rule. If they are asking to like implement a calculation ratios, in the tool we don't have options to implement it, and some of the things we can able to implement using the tool also, but the rule, by using the rule, is very comfortable, and it will our close will be completed very successfully without any issues. So in this example, like if any first, second, third, fourth and fifth, if any requirements are coming is there, so what we need to do, like generally what the people will be following. Generally if the people doesn't know how to implement rule, like people what they are doing means, suppose if they wanted to implement calculations rules, people what they will do, if the person is doesn't know how to use the rules in the HFM, he might be doing calculations outside, like offline. After that, what he will do, doing the calculations offline, then he will be then you will be import the calculations into journal or spreadsheet. Means doing calculations, you will do calculations offline, and after that After that he will implement after that he will doing the calculations offline. After that he will import it into the journals or spreadsheet. So this might be able to, we can able to do this, but the problems will be there. If we are following this procedure, we might be having some problems for this. What are the problems? More errors might be getting, more errors might be getting, one thing. And the another one is these are the time taking process. These two are problems. This what we need to do. We are having a rule editor. We are having a rule editor in HFM. By using the rule editor, we can able to do this in rules, so that the errors might be getting less, and it is very soon we can able to do this. Then the question is how the rules are going to be there in the tool. Okay, let me explain you in detail. I'll come to you very clearly, like a first step, second step, third step, and what we need to do here. So up to now I will just come back once again. HFM rules. HFM rule, it is used mainly used for the customization of HFM applications, because in the HFM applications all the options might not be sufficient for our requirement. To fulfill our requirement, we need to use the customization of application by using the rules. So these are the sub procedures are available in the rule. Okay, and the rule is a mixing of VB script and HFM functions. Like some of the example of the rules might be a calculations ratio, cash flow, validation, translation rules, investment and subsidy, etc might be there. So how to, if the person doesn't know how to use the rules, what he will do, he will be doing the calculations are in the rule in offline, and after that importing into the journal or a spreadsheet, then it is importing to the HFM. The problem is by using this we can have a like a more error might be getting, and it is very big time taking process. To avoid this, we need to use the rule editor. We are having an option of rule editor. Now the question is how to use the rule. Like many people of belong to functional background, they might be afraid to see the rule, because it is a rule is very interesting thing, and we can able to understand very easy also. So coming to the next class, I am going to explain you what are explain you clearly the VB script, how to use a VB script, and how it is with the HFM functions. Will come to very clear information in the next class. Thank you very much.